Hello students, let's continue chapter 2 Nutrition in Animals. Student, we have understood that after mouth and buccal cavity, our food will pass to esophagus. Now we will study about second compartment of alimentary canal, that is food pipe or esophagus. Esophagus is a hollow tube about 25 cm long made up of muscles. The swallowed food passes into the food pipe or esophagus. The food pipe runs along the neck and chest. Food is pushed down by movement of the wall of the food pipe. From esophagus, the food goes into the stomach. Students, you can see the movement of food through esophagus into the stomach in diagram. Now we will study about stomach. Our stomach is a J-shaped bag-like structure made up of muscle. The stomach is the widest part of the alimentary canal. It receives food from the food pipe at one end and opens into the small intestine at the other. The stomach's inner lining produces three things. First, mucus. It protects the lining of stomach. Second, hydrochloric acid. It kills many bacteria that enter along with food and makes the medium in the stomach acidic and helps the digestive juices to act. Third, digestive juices. It breaks down the proteins present in the food into simpler substances. So students, the food stays in the stomach for 2 to 4 hours. Most of the food is digested in stomach. Students, you might have experienced hiccups sometimes. Hiccups means hitchki. Students, do you know that how do you get hiccups? This happens when food particles enter the windpipe. The windpipe carries air from the nostrils to the lungs. It runs adjacent to the food pipe, but inside the throat, air and food share a common passage. During the act of swallowing, a flap-like valve closes the passage of the windpipe and guides the food into the food pipe. If by chance food particles enter the windpipe, we feel choked, get hiccups or cough. Now you know the reason that why do you experience hiccups, because accidentally the food has entered your windpipe instead of food pipe. Students, here we have story of discovery of stomach in your textbook at page number 16. In 1822, a man named Alexis St. Martin was hit by a gun. The bullet had made a hole in his stomach. He was brought to an American Army doctor, William Beaumont. The doctor saved the patient, but he could not close the hole properly and left it bandaged. Beaumont took it as a great opportunity to see the inside of the stomach through the hole. Beaumont found that the stomach was churning food. Its wall secreted a fluid which could digest the food. He also observed that the end of the stomach opens in the intestine only after the digestion of the food inside the stomach is completed. Students, this is the story of discovery of stomach. Students, now we come to an end of today's session. We will continue this chapter in next video. Thank you.